So I have that one, 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 I have that one. Thank you, Voltme. This here is the ultimate unboxing haul on chargers sent by Voltme. It is a metal crate full of different tech and goodies which we'll be looking at today. Let's have at it. Alright, so it came in this insanely crazy looking metal crate. Got these latches on the front, it says Voltme on the top, in this very unique looking style. Almost looks like something out of a spaceship. Let's open it up. Man, this thing is filled with goodies. Let's take a look. Alright, so right off the back, check it out. We got ourselves a Vito Go. So this here is essentially a hub of different kind of chargers. So you have 3 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, a USB-C to USB-C, designed for laptops, as well as gallium nitride tech. That's actually sick. Moving on, we got ourselves a Revo 65. Now this here is designed to be a portable charger. It's a 65 watt charger, so you get a good amount of power out of that. Definitely designed for fast charging capability for your phone. Moving on, we got ourselves a Revo 140, hence 140 watts. A little bit bigger than the other one there, the 65, but again supports 2 USB-Cs and a USB-A, as well as a gallium nitride. Now this is your Red Dot winner for 2023, as well as an Innovation Award for 2023 for CES. That's pretty cool. Moving on, we got ourselves a Revo 100. Again, very identical to that as well. Pretty nice. You can plug 3 different devices at the same time, which is always a plus. We got ourselves some USB-C cables. So we have USB-C to USB-C. We have both a light blue as well as a black. You open that up there. Pretty nice looking quality. All right, we got some more USB-Cs to USB-Cs. We got these here. So you got 2 different colors. So we have like almost like a bluish as well as a black. So this one here is a fabric material, so it's got that nylon braided material, 3.3 feet, but again, it gives it a nice cloth-like material. You can technically hang and do knots and things like that, as it kind of shows in that picture right over there. All right, got some more cables here. We got a USB-A to USB-C, so designed for your old school style. We got a 90-degree elbow design, so you can technically use this to go ahead and like fit a laptop or different things that are a little bit more tight in areas. We got ourselves a Revo 30 Mini 2. This is pretty cool. So it's designed to be a mini charger for USB-C, so it's up to looks like 30 watts. So again, designed for iPads and your phone, not necessarily laptop, but it can. And then they also sent us another one too, so they sent us 2 of those. We got ourselves a Revo 65. This one here is an ultra thin charger, designed to be, again, thin, designed for tight spaces and tight gaps, especially if you want to charge USB-C to USB-C. Recommend this for like, you know, your bed set or like your cabinets or something like that, where it's a little bit of tight gap in the back. Probably go with something like this versus something more bulkier. All right, we got some car chargers. So these here are 2 different car chargers. We have the Gazoo series. Looks like they're the same exact thing, but just slightly different in color. So you got dual USB ports, and they both go up to 30 watts each. So you have your USB-C as well as your USB-A charger. So for fast charging, definitely would recommend something along these lines. All right, we got ourselves a Revo 30 Evo, an ultra slim gallium nitride charger with a 1 meter 60 watt rug USB-C cable. So again, you open that up there, you can see that, man, that thing is super duper thin, designed for tight spaces, kind of showing right here, it looks like it's behind a sofa or something like that, which is probably what I would recommend for something of this nature. Got something big here. Whoa, look at this. This here is a USB power strip. So a little bit different than your conventional USB strip, not necessarily like full flat out. This thing actually has a rotational aspect to it. And this will actually go up to 8 devices at once. Now it's got 75 watts of power, so a good amount of fast charging at that aspect. And then last but not least, we got ourselves 6 ports desktop power station. That is mental. Absolutely crazy. So you got 4 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, and man, it's super duper heavy duty. So this thing can shoot up to 140 watts and supports laptop charging, obviously, at fast charging capability. And man, this thing is absolutely insane. Lots of different goodies, as you can already tell. And then, of course, they did give us some information on the company itself. So their hashtag is Live2Charge, which definitely speaks well with all this cool stuff here. So I have that one, 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 I have that one. Thank you, Voltme. So yeah, ultimate unboxing haul on different power cables and chargers and things like that. This here is definitely the way to go, and I can see myself using this on a day-to-day basis. hands down. So big special thanks to the good folks at Voltme for once again for sending this over. Be sure to check out the link down below in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.